Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. I'm starting the DIY today with 2 canvases that I got from Michael's craft store. I'll be removing just the fabric and leaving the wooden frame. This is a metallic wall art that I bought and it's large in size, so when hubby saw it, he said, hey, you can make a smaller one to make it look very nice on the wall with all the height variations, and I agreed. I always love taking up DIY challenges, and because I love this design, I hope it turns out okay. I spray painted the frames gold. I'm also going to be using embroidery hoop for this project. There's going to be something in the middle, and for that I'm going to be using an empty roll of masking tape. I'll be cutting the hoop and the empty roll into 2. I'm going to spray paint them gold, but for the empty roll, I'm going to have to reduce the size just a bit so that it blends with the hoop. Now I'm going to be gluing on the pieces to the frames. I'll be using empty Pringles container for the main design. And for this project, I used 3 empty Pringles containers. All I did for each of the container was cut it into 2 and cut them into small strips. The first set of cutouts that I made were too wide, so I decided to do another set, but this time around making it much more slimmer, because the smaller the cutouts are, the better the design is gonna look. This is how the twisted design that I want to make for all the pieces is going to look like. And it's quite simple. All you need to do is just twist from top to bottom. Now that I have my pieces, I'm going to be gluing them down to the frame. I'll be gluing the pieces first to the first semicircle and the second semicircle. And because the pieces are short, when I'm done with gluing them around all the semicircles, I'm going to add the length for all of the pieces to make sure that they touch the frame, and then I glue them on. I cut out the excess that I had on the frame and repeated the same thing for the other frame. And when I was done, I took them out and I spray painted them gold. I put the one that I bought side by side with the one that I made. It clearly shows the human error on my part when I was making the twists. Later on today, I'll probably make another one with more precise twists to see if it would work. And I'll let you guys know how it turned out. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button.